Hello guys, uh, well in this video I'll be talking on HTML text formatting. You guys may be asking why I split different topics in different videos. The main reason why I'm doing such is that as a developer the skill is needed, very good, and also the theory is also needed in case you go for a job interview and your interviewer asks you a question pertaining some things in the theory part. Now, the reason why you ought to know the theory is for you to be able to answer what you should be able to implement in some certain things. Now, that is basically the reason why I split everything. But the good news is, whenever I'm done with each language, then I spend time creating a project for you guys to be able to implement it while developing web projects and all sorts. Now, like I've said, that this video is about HTML text formatting. HTML text formatting is basically formatting text, which is very essential for websites. One of its uses is to help readers know the important parts of a web content easily. Now, the elements for formatting text. All of the elements that I'm going to show you guys are inline elements. Now, in the previous videos, I've explained what an inline element is, and I said that an inline element is the opposite of a block level element. Now, what is a block level element? Let me quickly do a recap. An HTML block level element is an element that creates a horizontal boundary block. It always starts on a new line and takes the full width available. Like I mentioned, different elements that are block level, which are H1 to H6 elements, the paragraph and the P tag element, the div tag element. Now, and I said that the inline element is an element that does not create its own horizontal boundary block. Now you can see that inline is the opposite of the block level element. Now, what I want you guys to know about block level element and inline element is that the block level element forms a new line, while the inline elements do not form a new line. So I just want you guys to have that in memory. Now let's go back to HTML text formatting. Now, these are the examples of the elements for formatting a text. Now the B tag boldens a text. The I italicizes a text. The U tag underlines a text. The code tag defines a text as a code. The TT tag is used basically for typewriter text. The small tag makes a text smaller. The EM tag emphasizes a text. Maybe it can be italicized depending on the browser the client uses. The strong tag emphasizes a text, maybe boldens the text also depending on the client's browser. Now the mark tag marks a text like a highlighting pen. The Q tag encodes a text, while the last one, the S tag, strikes through a text. Now that is pretty much it in this video, guys. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video.